Welcome to the Craft Tessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to take two of the Dollar Tree gnomes and give them an adorable makeover. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, I'm going to use two of the Dollar Tree gnomes and I'm going to give them a makeover. I know it's hard to sometimes find these gnomes at the Dollar Tree, but if you see them, grab them because they are super easy to give a little makeover to. Now I'm going to use two different colors of chunky yarn. If you've seen some of my other videos, I've used this in several projects. I'm going to make one with a little beige outfit and a white hat, which is going to be this one. And then the other one, I'm going to do the opposite in colors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take some hot glue and you're going to go around the base of the bottom of the gnome and secure it with the hot glue. Now, once you secure the bottom edge, you can just basically wrap the yarn all around the body and it will hold because this yarn is so chunky that it will just lay on top of each other. So let's continue to do the body part of the gnome. Now that the body is done, I did the same thing to the arms. It is time to do the hat. Now I'm going to use the white yarn for the hat, and we're going to do the same exact thing we did to the body. We're going to start at the bottom where the nose is. This way we can attach it with hot glue as close as possible to his nose and we won't see any of the red material underneath. So starting at the edge, secure that piece with hot glue, and then you can just basically go around the hat. No need to hot glue it because again, the yarn is thick enough that it will hold itself. So let's finish. So now that this little guy is done, I'm going to attach a little star sticker on it. It's actually a wood sticker. It's from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a package. And I'm going to hot glue it to the hat in order to give it a little sparkle. Now, I forgot to videotape, but I'm going to do his shoes in white. And I'm going to use the same exact yarn and just cover his little shoes in white in order to give him a complete look. And this way, the black shoes won't be so stark against the lighter colors. So once that's done, these two little guys will be ready to display. So now these little guys are done and I absolutely love the way that they turned out. For the white one, I did the exact same thing as I did for the beige one. I just did it in opposite colors. Let me know what you think about this project in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.